Here we have an example of input validation while using a while statement. And you can see this code has a variable of candy bars, and we ask for some input from the user. I'm going to declare it an integer, enter the number of candy bars desired, and I went ahead and hit F5 and ran the script on this side. It's waiting for my input. Let's take a look at this code. While candy bars is less than 0, print, you cannot order negative candy bars. Then it reiterates the question. Candy bars equals input, enter number of candy bars desired. If candy bars is equal to 0, print sorry, I'm sorry you didn't like candy bars. If this is true, that's what it'll print. If it's false, it'll go to this statement. Candy bars greater than 20. If this is false, it'll go to this statement. If candy bar is greater than 50, and then at the very end of all the input, you'll get this print statement. Thank you for ordering candy bars. So let's go ahead and throw in 0 first. I'm sorry you don't like candy bars. Thank you for ordering 0 candy bars. Kind of self-explanatory, but let's follow that. Input statement 0, while candy bars is less than 0. Well, it's not less than 0, so it goes down to your if statement. It says if candy bar is equal to 0, this is true. And this is what's executed, as well as your final print statement. The while loop never asks you for to enter another amount because this was true. Right? Candy bars is less than 0, or it was false. So that statement was false. Because while 0 is less than 0, false, they're the same, then if fired. Let's run this again. Let's say 22. So this is false. 22 is greater than 0. This is false. Greater than 20. True. That's a big order. And then we get our final statement. Let's go ahead and check this while statement now. Let's throw in a negative number and see what happens. Let's say -5. Okay, I'm asked again, right? So while -5 is less than 0, true, that statement's true. -5 is less than 0. Print, we got to print, and then it asks us again for our input. Well, what if I say -3? Okay, I broke that by accident. Let's do this again, ready? F5. Stick with our -5, -4, -3, -4, -3, -1. So as long as we keep answering negative, this will be false, and we'll keep prompting the user for the input. The loop works as designed. It's one way to do input validation.